Slip and fall injuries. How to choose an attorney. It seems like every attorney says they do personal injury cases, and slip and fall cases are no different. But just because most attorneys want to handle an injury case does not mean that they are at all qualified to do so. So how does a person injured in a slip and fall case choose an attorney? Well, experience matters. Slip and fall cases are notoriously difficult. 1 out of every 2 that go to trial result in a verdict of 0, meaning the injured person gets nothing. So choosing the right attorney means everything. An experienced slip and fall injury attorney will help preserve evidence like video, photograph, witness statements, and reports. An experienced injury attorney can help coordinate medical experts that can simultaneously help the injured person and help a jury understand the injured person's injury. That attorney will advocate on behalf of the injured person to maximize the compensation they receive. Without all of this work on a slip and fall injury case, the case is worth next to nothing. Most importantly, an experienced injury attorney will know where to look to hold people and businesses responsible. A knowledgeable attorney will look at all parties responsible, not just the obvious ones. If someone slips and falls on ice while walking into a store, the inexperienced attorney may only make a claim against the store. An experienced injury attorney will include the store, the landlord, the maintenance company in charge of snow and ice removal. Why include so many people? Well, lots of reasons, but most importantly, by including all of these parties, it increases the number of people available to pay compensation to the injured person. For these reasons and so many more, a person injured in a slip and fall needs to hire an experienced slip and fall injury attorney. So do not hire the person that helped out in a friend's divorce. Do not hire the person who prepared your grandparents' trust or will. A person injured in a slip and fall needs to hire a tried and true injury attorney that has handled and continues to handle slip and fall injury cases. And while an experienced slip and fall injury attorney is absolutely essential, it's also necessary to ensure the attorney has paralegal and assistance to help him or her with cases. Why is having help important? But lots of reasons. Number 1, a second set of eyes to help the attorney out and make sure they're not missing anything. Number 2, it's another point of contact at the firm. And let's face it, a good attorney is a busy attorney. If a client can simply call his or her attorney and then they are immediately connected to the attorney, or even worse, the attorney personally answers their cell phone, well, that attorney does not have enough work or isn't focused on the work they have. Both are bad signs. But questions need to get answered, and tender loving care to clients is still necessary. So having an experienced attorney with a smart, experienced paralegal and legal assistant makes everything so much easier. I hope it's clear that an experienced slip and fall injury attorney is so very important. So how can you find an experienced attorney? The best way is to ask friends and family for a referral, but do not stop there. If friends and family are able to refer you an experienced injury attorney, find that attorney online and figure out what they are about. Does that attorney regularly deal with slip and fall injuries? Does that attorney have online reviews? And most importantly, does that attorney have online reviews going back for quite some time? If friends and family are not able to provide a referral, find an attorney online. Check out the online reviews, check out their website, check out their YouTube channel and blogs. And then, no matter what, call that attorney for a free initial consult. Try to get a feel for them. If the attorney is not available for the initial consult, do not settle for an intake specialist or some other non-attorney person. The relationship between an attorney and a client is so very important. An injured person needs to know who is fighting for them. Ask that attorney about their most recent verdict or success. Ask that attorney for their strategy in dealing with insurance companies and responsible parties. The bottom line, an experienced injury attorney is so very important in any case, but even more so in a slip and fall injury case, because the attorney will make or break the case. And getting an attorney involved as early as possible will increase the odds of a successful recovery in a slip and fall injury case. People hurt in slip and fall cases typically experience a lot of frustration. Allow the attorneys at the Marc Lopez law firm to turn that frustration into compensation. Give us a call today, 317-632-3642. And please like this video and subscribe to the channel if you found this information helpful.